By the end of this video, you'll be editing thumbnails so good, it's time to start our next level design game. Now, we hunt for images. Right-click, copy, and boom, first image ready. Paste it into Photoshop. We're just warming up. Next, search for a nice table back. This is like laying the stage before the actors walk in, because a messy stage kills the vibe.
Now we're going to add the background, so let's quickly select it.
Now the star enters, an AI-generated person created by ChatGPT. Drop them right in. Adjust them like you're telling them. Stand here. Look good for the camera. On the monitor screen, I add the thumbnail. And then, glass effect. Because why not? It just makes it pop like, oh dang, that's shiny. Now I just recompose everything. Arrange images, adjust sizes, and here's the fun part. Adding extra PNGs to match the vibe. Psychological books, brain icons, money stacks, tiny details, big impact. Finally, my favorite moment.
We're going to make the man face and body smoother and contrasty.
Camera raw filter. That's like the mic drop of thumbnail editing. A little color tweak, a little sharpness, and boom, it's done. And there you go.